Hello guys, how are you doing today? This is the 21st episode of Python tutorial series. So Python dictionaries. This tick equals to, in curly brackets you have key value pairs brand colon Ford, model colon Mustang, and year colon 1964. Dictionary. Dictionaries are used to store data values in key value pairs. A dictionary is a collection which is ordered. Let's read the footnote. Where is the footnote? Maybe this is the footnote. As of Python version 3.7, dictionaries are ordered. In Python 3.6 and earlier, dictionaries are unordered. So a dictionary is a collection which is ordered, changeable, and do not allow duplicates. So what are the similarities between lists and dictionaries? Both are ordered and changeable. What are the differences? Dictionary do not allow duplicates, where lists do allow. And also in dictionary the items come in key value pair, but in case of list it is not that. Okay. And what are the differences between, like, let's say tuple and dictionary? The difference is that changeable. Dictionary is changeable but tuple is not changeable. But the similarity is that another similarity is that tuples allow duplicate items, dictionary allow duplicate no. So changeable, that's a similarity between dictionary and tuple. And ordered, that is also another similarity between dictionary and tuple. What is the difference? One difference is that tuples allow duplicate items, where dictionary do not allow duplicate items. Another difference is that in case of dictionary the items are in key value pairs, but in case of tuples it is not that. Okay. So dictionaries are written with curly brackets and have keys and values. Create and print a dictionary. This tick equals to, in curly brackets we have brand colon Ford, model colon Mustang, year colon 1964. Print this tick, and that's it. I believe in the output it's gonna be single quotation. So it's order. Since in the definition year is the last item, year 1964, this key value pair is the last item. So when you take the printout, this is always gonna be printed last. Dictionary items. Dictionary items are ordered, changeable, and does not allow duplicates. Okay. Dictionary items are presented in key value pairs and can be referred to by using the key name. Put the brand value of the dictionary. Print the brand value. So this text equals to the previous dictionary. Print this text of in square brackets, then brand. I believe it could also have been this text dot brand. No, it not be like that because there's a string. It has to be enclosed in double quotation. Okay. In the output you are going to see Ford. Ordered or unordered. As of Python version 3.7, dictionaries are ordered. In Python 3.6 and earlier, dictionaries are unordered. Okay. And when we say that dictionaries are ordered, it means that the items have a defined order and that order will not change. Unordered means that the items does not have a defined order. You can refer to an item by using an index. Unordered means the items does not have a defined order. You cannot refer to an item by using an index. Changeable. But the thing is that dictionaries nowadays are ordered. Okay. Dictionaries are changeable, meaning that we can change, add or remove items after the dictionary has been created. Duplicates not allowed. Dictionaries cannot have two items with the same key. Duplicate values will overwrite existing values. So this dict in curly brackets we have brand Ford, model Mustang, year 1964, then again year 2020. So if you take the printout, you know only one year will be shown, and that is the last year 2020. I believe that. Dictionary length. To determine how many items a dictionary has, use the len function. Okay, print the number of items in the dictionary. Print len of this dict. It's gonna be 3. Dictionary items, data types. The values in dictionary items can be of any data type. String, int, boolean, and list data types. This dict equals to, in curly brackets we have brand Ford electric, false, year 1964, colors. As you can see, in this case the key is colors and the value is a list of 3 items, red, white, and blue. So what you're gonna do, if you print this dictionary, as if this is the interesting part, colors, and in case this is gonna be list of red, white, and blue. Type method. From Python's perspective, dictionaries are defined as objects with the data type dict. Class dict. So print the data type of a dictionary. It's gonna be class dict. Python collections. Once again, I do not want to read that. I have read that several times, so I just want to go forward. I pressed next, but it didn't work. Access dictionary items. You can access the items of a dictionary by referring to its key name inside square brackets. Get the value of the model key. This dict, okay, let's see. Oh, why is it taking so much? X equals to this dict of, in square brackets you have model. So when you print X Mustang, the value will be printed, not the key. Model is actually the key. There is also a method called get that will give you the same result. X equals to this dict dot get of model. In this case, if you print X, it will be Mustang, because model is the key. Get keys. So the keys method will return a list of all the keys in the dictionary. The X equals to this dict dot keys. Let's see. If you print X, then you will have dict keys, and it's a list of brand, model, and year in single quotation. The list of the keys is a view of the dictionary, meaning that any changes done to the dictionary will be reflected in the keys list. Okay. Example, add a new item to the original dictionary and see that the keys list gets updated as well. Car equals to brand Ford, model Mustang, year 1964. X equals to car dot keys method, print X before the change, and then you add a method like you add a item like this. Car of color equals to white. Color is the key and white is the value, and this is how you add another item to the car dictionary. Now if you print X after the change, X will definitely be different. So as you can see in the upper one, brand, model, here, these are the keys, but in the lower dict case is the brand, model, year, and also the color. Now get values. The values method will return a list of all the values in the dictionary. Get a list of the values. X equals to this dict dot values method. The list of the values is a view of the dictionary, meaning that any changes done to the dictionary will be reflected in the values list. Make a change in the original dictionary and see that the values list gets updated as well. Car equals to brand, model, year, Ford Mustang 1964, X equals to car dot values. So what does values do? Once again, the values method will return a list of all the values in the dictionary. This dict dot values method, so only the values, not the case. The list of the values is a view of the dictionary, meaning that any changes done to the dictionary will be reflected in the values list. Make a change in the original dictionary and see that the values list gets updated as well. So x equals to car dot values. Previously in this one it was x equals to car dot keys method, but this is values method. Print x. Now you add an item to the car dictionary. Car of year equals to 2020, so year is the key, and you don't add it, actually you actually update the item year. Now it's gonna be year colon 2020. If you print x, okay, you get to see dict values, round brackets, then the square brackets. In the previous one Ford Mustang 1964, in the later one Ford Mustang 2020. How much longer is this? Sorry, I cannot continue with all these things, so I simply say goodbye. Okay then, until the next time.